Hi, I'm Dave Oriani, CTO and co-founder of AtScale. In this session, I'm going to show you how AtScale's semantic layer and Snowflake together can deliver self-service analytics for everyone in your organization. So what is a semantic layer and why do you need one? A semantic layer presents one single source of truth, a business-friendly interface for business analysts and data scientists, and allows them to consume with the tools that they're most familiar with and that they already know and love, whether that be a BI tool like Power BI, Excel, or Tableau, or a data science tool like an AutoML platform or a Jupyter Notebook. It also establishes a single integration layer so that every single query can be governed and secured the same way, regardless of consumption. And it accelerates analytics performance by delivering sub-second queries consistently and pushing down that compute to the Snowflake cluster without any data movement or cubing required. Why AtScale and Snowflake together? AtScale and Snowflake together allow you to migrate legacy cube architectures like SQL Server Analysis Services to the cloud, and while still getting that blazingly fast dimensional analysis that you've come to know and love with your on-premise tools. And that means we're going to also deliver analysis-ready data using measures and dimensions and a consistent view of data in those Snowflake tables and in your Snowflake cloud for all types of users, whether it be business intelligence, data science, or applications. And we're going to also extend Snowflake support for not just SQL, but also native and multi-dimensional interfaces like DAX and MDX, so you can take advantage of Power BI and Excel in your enterprise. So we do that by creating a consumption layer that doesn't require any kind of extra tools or drivers to be installed on your client machines. By doing that, we're going to be able to connect using our semantic model that we designed with Design Center that will create a business-oriented view on your raw data in your Snowflake warehouse. We're also going to use data virtualization to translate DAX queries, REST queries, MDX queries, Python queries into native Snowflake SQL. All the while, we're going to optimize your query performance automatically. So rather than having data engineers running around manually building aggregate tables, the AtScale service will do that for you. And it will build those aggregates right on the Snowflake cluster, right on the Snowflake data warehouse. So you're going to get always tuned, speedy performance without any manual intervention. And all while delivering analytics security and governance consistently across the enterprise. AtScale fits very nicely in the AtScale stack and the Snowflake cloud stack as a very thin layer, a semantic layer on top of the Snowflake cloud. It serves all forms of analytics consumption, whether that be business intelligence, AI ML, or custom applications. Everybody gets to use the same single source of truth, measures and dimensions, business-friendly metadata without having to do extra data wrangling or modeling on raw data in the Snowflake cloud. So what's a before and after view? I see a lot of customers, and a lot of customers do this kind of thing. They may take their data and they have their business analysts and their data scientists using their respective tools. But when it comes to sort of that last mile of business intelligence where business users and analysts require instant access and they require sub-second queries, I often see them creating separate cubes or data marts or importing data directly into the BI tools themselves, whether those be Tableau data extracts or whether it be importing data into Power BI. And that creates all kinds of problems. It creates problems with inconsistent data and extra data copies. It creates latency and extra complexity when it comes to trying to keep that data in sync and up to date and fresh.